Hey folks, DW here with another DW Family Reviews, and today we are reviewing the Flamwild, that's one word, F-L-A-M, Wild, Under Cabinet Light Motion Sensor. Now I've already had these unpacked, they come two in a pack, and before I go any further, these were sent to me at no cost in return for me to do a comprehensive review. Now, as you can see, they come two in a pack. I have one already out of the package, and you'll see the other one still in its packing, still in plastic. What are these two white things here? They're magnets. So the white side, when you peel off, and make sure that when you put it on, that light blue side is not facing up like that, or you're gonna have a problem pulling this off. This goes up underneath the cabinet, and the other one goes up underneath the cabinet as well, so these stick, and they stick really, really well. Okay, I wanted to back up for a second and show you something. When the lights are plugged in to be charged, you'll see the sensor will be red. When they are fully charged, they'll be green. All right, and make sure, folks, make sure I say this every time, make sure that you read the manual. Yes, you will need a magnifying glass or use your phone to get in and look at it and expand on it if you need to. It is quite hard to read. But what's really neat is that you can have these lights on constantly for 10 to 14 hours before you have to recharge them. And it says if they are on the turn off mode after 10 or 20 seconds, they will last 3 to 4 weeks. We're going to test that. Okay, I had the lights off intentionally because I set up those lights over in this area. I do have the back screen open so that I can see a little bit, but like I said, these are motion sensors. So as I get close here, you'll see that they go on. Both of them, and you can just stick your hand under there as well. Let me back up now. You have a 10-second and a 20-second time period right there before they go out. But look how much more light there is underneath the cabinet just because of those two lights. One goes out, the other one goes out, about 20 seconds, okay? Now watch this. Like I said, they're magnetized, so they go up when I find the magnet, and it's already on there. And take it off. When you need to charge it, you got the A and B sensors right there. Let's talk about that. Again, on the instructions, button A and button B that you had seen have different presses, and it explains to you what will happen when you push button A and you push and hold it. You have one flash, or you'll have two flashes, all right? If it's all day mode or if it's night mode. This is, you do have to make the changes there. Manually, it will not do it on its own. Button B, you have a 20%, 40, all the way up to 100% brightness, and it has a yellow light as well if you don't like the really, really brightness. And when you long press it, 10 seconds for one flash, 20 seconds for the two flash. All in all, I really give this 5 out of 5 stars. I can't say it enough just because how dark it is, and I should shut the shades there so that you can see. But when you get in the area and they turn on, they are really light. It changes the whole, I don't know what you want to say, beauty of